just like a fish, it even swims in water and it lives in ocean. It is really louder and it's bigger than dinosaurs. What is it? It's not a fish. It's not a fish. It's a mammal. A mammal in the ocean? Yeah, there is a mammal in the ocean and it could swim. It's the whale, the largest mammal in the world. So now I'm going to tell you the differences between whales and fish. So fishes have gills to breathe underwater, but whales do not have gills because they're warm-blooded. So they have one or two blowholes on top of their head. They come to the surface really quickly to breathe air. And fishes have fins to swim, but whales do not have fins. They have flippers, and back of the day they have big flukes. When these flaps and flukes, they could go really fast. Fish also have fins back of its tail too. And whales have rubbery and smooth skin, but fishes are cold-blooded, so they have scaly skin. So that's the differences between them. And also the Arctic water is so cool. The whales have a little blubber under their belly that only keeps them warm. And now that's the differences. Now I'm going to tell you the species of whale. The first one is minke whale, sperm whale, humpback whale, blue whale, and the bowhead whale. So those are the species of whale and differences. So I'm going to tell you about the blue whale. The blue whale is really long. It's long as a basketball court. It weighs up to 25 elephants. Wow, that's so cool, right? And it is horse size. It is a Volkswagen Beetle car size. Wow, its horse is even a car size. How is that? That's so awesome, right? Yeah. So blue whales are so big, but they never do a threat to humans. Their favorite food is krill. They so eat tiny food, but they do eat tiny food like krill. But they eat tons of krill every day. That is their favorite food. They eat tons of krill every day. But people still are hunting blue whales, but because of their skin. Blue whales are nice too, but I don't know. Blue whale could communicate with loud sounds. It could hear 1,000 miles away in the 100 miles away in the ocean. Do you want to sing? Yeah, sing with the humpback whale and the beluga whales. The humpback whales could even sing. They do not sing with their mouth. They sing with their blue. They sing like that. A humpback whale eats codfish. It travels 1,000 miles away. When it's in winter, it travels 1,000 miles away to the southern east ocean. It's so warm and they have plenty of food to eat there, just like codfish. They eat plenty of codfish. Next is the beluga whale. The beluga whale also sing. It lives in the Arctic. So there are two whales that love the Arctic, Mother whale and the beluga whale. The beluga whale loves the Arctic because in the Arctic it will go and camouflage in the Arctic ices. The Arctic has lot of ices, and where does the beluga hunt? It hunts in shallow and coral waters, like short like this pond. See, it hunts like in a short like this pond. See it over there? Yeah, it hunts like that in shallow water. Eats shrimp and little squid. And beluga whales could camouflage in the ice. No predator could even see them. No predator. Beluga whales could even sing. That's how they sing. because they are narwhals, and people actually call their horn as their teeth, but they use their horn to fight with other narwhals. Even narwhals live in the Arctic. It eats a little shrimp and little squid too. Wow! Instead of all